Welcome back to another Trader Studio video. Today is President's Day, and I'm going to show you the exact strategy that we use to become profitable as soon as the market opens. Let's jump right into it. Alrighty, guys, so I'm going to jump right into it. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm just going to show you because we've gotten a lot of comments on our last video of how to mark up support and resistance, how to mark up our highs and our lows, what time frame we use, what indicators we use. And I'm going to try and make it as very simple as I possibly can for you. Just so you guys know, today I didn't do anything. I had to get into sell entry, but I just got hit for break even. I didn't want to risk too much because it was President's Day. The markets were closing early and I was a little hesitant on entering. So I just got in for a trade and got hit for break even. So nothing really for me today. But what I wanted to do was answer some questions of how we mark up our highs and our lows before market open. So market open for me is at 8:30 Central Time. Okay, and what I do, the easiest thing that you can do is use this indicator, Lux Algo Sessions. This has helped me so much. It's not really an indicator as far as telling you your price or anything like that, or telling you which direction to go. It just helps me see it better. So when I turn this on, I know immediately this right here, this gray box, is the New York session. This is the London session, and then this is the Asian session. You can have the gaps right here. It's just easier for me to see. So what I do is I turn that on immediately, okay? And let me go back to replay mode. So this is the candle right at 8:29. So the next minute, the market is opening. And I am looking at this chart right here, right before the market opens, ready to take a trade if it plays out. So what I do, based off even just the sessions indicator, you can clearly see the highest point of the session and the lowest point of the session. Super simple. That's one way to mark up your highs and your lows. So you can do that on the 1 minute time frame. Very simple. If you want to get even a little bit better, you can go to the higher time frames as far as like a 15-minute or 30-minute time frame. And it's, again, super easy as far as your support and resistance. The easiest way right now I can tell, of course, that there is a support right here. You just want to put your horizontal lines, your trend lines. You want to get as many touches as possible to know that it's a very significant area. Okay, so right there, that's where I would put one. Right here as well. I just, after you do it for so long, you can just kind of see right away where there's major areas of support and resistance. Another thing that could help you as well is go to a line chart. So you see your candlesticks up here, but go to a line chart and just imagine if you were to draw a line anywhere on this chart, where would there be the most amount of touches possible? Just by looking at this right away, I would draw a line right there because you have a touch here, you have a touch here, and you have several touches there. That shows me that that line, that support, that resistance, that is a very crucial area. So those are two simple ways to get your support and resistance. But go ahead and turn on your sessions indicator so that does help you as far as your highs and your lows. On the 1 minute, of course, this is a little different than on the 15-minute. But what I would do right before market opens is this and this. And I did have this marked up today. I just didn't take anything again because of President's Day. But you'll see exactly what happened. I know we preach that it goes to hold your positions all the way until your pivot. But today, just because it was President's Day, there's not a lot of volume. It didn't go all the way to the pivot today, but the trade still played out. You'll see exactly as soon as market opens, it went down for the max, I think, on this by, 10 minutes in was about 35 pips. You can be break even, you can take profit, you can leave runners when you're 20-30 pips up. But that's really, I wanted to make this video more so on how we mark up our highs and our lows, and support and resistance. So please let us know if you guys have any other questions. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We will answer any questions you may have, and we'll see you next time. Thank you, and I hope this helped.